This tutorial demonstrates image segmentation on the Cityscapes dataset using a segformer model from Hugging Face, integrated into the PerceptionMetrics library. First, select Image Segmentation from the Task drop-down. Choose the dataset type and split, then click Browse to select the dataset folder. The required directory structure depends on the selected dataset format. Update the image directory, label directory, and file suffixes according to your dataset. Once the dataset is loaded, open the Dataset Viewer tab. Here, you can browse images from the validation split, view the ground truth segmentation overlay, and use the slider to adjust the opacity of the segmentation masks. Select Hugging Face Segformer as the model type. Enter the Hugging Face model name, or select a locally saved model folder. Then provide the PerceptionMetrics formatted configuration file and ontology file. Once all paths are set, click Load Segmentation Model. After loading the model, open the Inference tab and upload an image from the dataset directory. The GUI displays the original image, the predicted segmentation mask, and the prediction overlay for easy comparison. Open the Evaluator tab to evaluate the loaded model on the selected dataset. Optionally, save the predictions or provide an ontology translation file when the dataset and model use different class IDs. Then select the translation direction and click Run Evaluation. During evaluation, progress and intermediate results are updated directly in the Evaluator tab. Once the evaluation is complete, the GUI displays class-wise, macro, and micro-segmentation metrics, including IOU, dice score, precision, recall, accuracy, and F1 score. The results can also be downloaded for further analysis.